Welcome to fact-checking popular claims about ginger tea. Ginger tea, a miracle cure or just a myth? Today, we'll separate fact from fiction and reveal the surprising truth about this popular drink. We'll explore the science behind its potential benefits and debunk any overblown claims. So grab your mug and prepare for a steaming hot take on ginger tea. Ginger tea has been a household remedy for centuries, touted for its various health benefits. But with the abundance of online claims, it's hard to separate fact from fiction. Today, we'll delve into the science behind ginger tea's potential to fight inflammation, aid digestion, boost immunity, relieve pain, support weight management. You will also get a bonus tip on how to make ginger tea. Remember, while ginger tea is not a magic potion, it can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Before we move on to the main points of the video, let's take a quick moment for some important housekeeping. If you're getting value from the content, remember to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Sharing this video helps others discover it and signals the YouTube algorithm to recommend it to those who could benefit the most. Feel free to tell us your story in the comments below. Your input can make a difference. Let's work together to spread positivity and knowledge where it's needed. Thank you for being a part of our community. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Let's start with the anti-inflammatory properties. One of the most popular claims about ginger tea is that it can help soothe aches and pains throughout the body. But is there any truth to this claim? The good news is that science backs this up. Studies have shown that ginger contains compounds like gingerol, which have been linked to anti-inflammatory effects. According to a study published in the journal Medicinal Food, ginger reduced inflammation markers in the body. This suggests ginger could help with conditions like arthritis or muscle soreness. However, it's important to have a balanced perspective. While the research is promising, these studies often use concentrated ginger extracts in higher doses than you'd typically get from a cup of tea. The anti-inflammatory benefits you experience from ginger tea might be milder. Next, number 2, digestive aid. Another common belief is that ginger tea helps with digestion. This one might ring true for many of us who've reached for a cup after a heavy meal. But is there science behind this claim? The answer is yes. Research published in the journal Phytotherapy Research in 2011 indicates that ginger can help with digestion by speeding up the emptying of the stomach and reducing bloating. This can be particularly beneficial after a big meal or when experiencing occasional indigestion. However, it's important to remember that ginger tea isn't a magic bullet for digestive issues. While it can provide some relief, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle for optimal gut health. This includes eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, and managing stress. Next, number 3, immune boosting. Many people swear by ginger tea for boosting the immune system, especially during cold and flu season. But does ginger truly hold the key to staying healthy? Science offers some interesting insights. A review published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine in 2019 highlights ginger's antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, which can weaken the immune system. So by consuming ginger, we might be providing our bodies with a natural defense boost. However, while ginger can contribute to overall health and potentially support the immune system, it shouldn't replace other essential practices. Getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and exercising regularly are all crucial for a strong immune system. Don't ditch your broccoli for a mug of ginger tea just yet. Next, number 4, pain reliever. Let's explore the pain-relieving potential of ginger tea. Can it truly help manage discomfort? Research offers some promising evidence. A study published in the journal Pain Medicine in 2018 found that ginger can help reduce muscle pain and soreness. This is likely due to ginger's anti-inflammatory and analgesic pain-relieving properties. So if you're feeling sore after a workout or experiencing occasional muscle aches, a cup of ginger tea might offer some relief. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. While ginger tea might be helpful for occasional discomfort, it's unlikely to be a cure-all for chronic pain conditions. For those dealing with persistent pain, consulting a healthcare professional is crucial to developing a personalized pain management strategy. If you are having chronic pain, ginger tea can be a helpful addition to your plan, but it should not take the place of seeing a doctor. Next, number 5. Weight management. Can a steaming mug of ginger tea help melt away the pounds? There's some interesting research to be considered. A study published in the journal Metabolism in 2014 found that ginger might enhance calorie burn and reduce feelings of hunger. This shows that consuming ginger may help with weight reduction. However, there's no magic bullet for weight loss. While ginger tea might offer some benefits, it's not a standalone solution. For lasting results, combine ginger tea with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Think of ginger tea as a potential tool in your weight management toolbox. It can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing your calorie intake. But it should be paired with nutritious meals and a consistent exercise routine for optimal results. Remember, sustainable weight loss requires a holistic approach. Next bonus tip: how to make ginger tea. Now that we've explored the potential benefits of ginger tea, let's get steeping. Here's how to make a simple and delicious cup of ginger tea at home. 1. Prepare the ginger. Take a fresh ginger root. Peel it using a spoon and slice it thinly. The thinner the slices, the stronger the ginger flavor. 2. Boil the water. In a saucepan, combine the ginger slices and water. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for 10-15 minutes to let the ginger infuse into the water. 3. Strain the tea. After steeping, strain the tea into a mug. 4. Add your preferences. Customize your ginger tea by adding honey or lemon for sweetness and freshness. For an extra kick, add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of turmeric for added health benefits. So, is ginger tea a miracle cure or just a myth? The truth lies somewhere in between. Our exploration has revealed several potential health benefits associated with ginger tea, including its anti-inflammatory properties, potential to aid digestion and boost immunity, ability to relieve occasional pain, and even support weight management efforts. However, it's important to remember that ginger tea shouldn't be viewed as a magic potion. While it can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle, it has limitations. It's unlikely to be a cure-all for chronic conditions, and a balanced diet and regular exercise are still crucial for overall well-being. For any specific medical concerns, always consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique needs. With that said, check out the video on the screen for more scientifically backed health tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and information. Have you noticed any benefits or made any interesting variations of the recipe? Share your experiences with ginger tea in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.